just want you to see how my package came. So let me show you my box. I have this in here because Monday I will most likely do swatches. Today is Friday. It's been a long day, and so I just wanted to show you what I got. Okay, so this was a part of my order, which is Paint the Town Red. I'm trying to hold this box while I film. This came in my order, which is the pink, and this one came with a plastic in it. So this one is Pink Palooza, and it's the pink one. This came in a separate order, and this one is Mosh Pit. All of these, I must have gotten about 6 separate orders. So I can't even read this one. But this also came in a separate order. But it's the darker, remember I told you there was a gray and a silver? This is like the gray one, and it's just gel stars and glitter. And then this one I actually found at the Walmart in the clearance section. And this is the lighter one. This one's called Hallucinate. This is the silver one. I wound up getting all of the I wasn't going to get them, but I wound up getting them. Because it's, you know, fun to have if you want to do something special. But this is the Face and Body Gem. And this is the gold, silver, white, I guess you could call it. This is the stars, which I love because it's kind of like holographic, kind of. This was the nail accent. And I wasn't going to get it, but the theme is stars, like in the sky. So I thought that was cute. So I did get that one. Again, everything I'm showing you right now with these sticky, gemmy thingies, this was all in Walmart in the clearance section. Although it didn't come clear. It didn't come discounted. This is the pretty, this one's pretty, these little stars, hearts, diamonds, triangles. I like this one. Face gems were purple, so I decided to get this one. They had 2 other ones I didn't get. This is the body tattoo, and it's lace. I thought that was really pretty, the lace. Almost looks like a wolf paw. And then there was another one I did not get because it looked like the same exact one that they had years ago in spring body tattoo collection. And I wasn't going to get this one, but those butterflies really caught my eye, so I got this one. So this is another body tattoo. And one more face gem. You got your pink, white, purple, blue, and green. So it's just fun, you know, like for Halloween. This I got in my order. I decided to get Illuminati. Because when I found out I could get other stuff, I just needed to. But anyway, so this is Illuminati. I decided to get this one. This one looks like a champagne-y type one. I got this thinking that it was the Rose Gold Sparks Fly glitter one, but it's not. It's called Confetti Party, but it does look kind of rose gold. So that was in the clearance bin. And I couldn't get Techno, and I found Techno in the clearance bin. Because to me, I thought it might look like the roller coaster. But from here, it looks a little bit too red to be orange. This one's Techno, and this is the liquid eyeshadow. This looks more like the roller coaster that I saw pictures of online. This one looks more orangey. And this one is Light 'em Up. Yes. This one is Light 'em Up. So this one does look more like the roller coaster. I found the holographic eyeliner there as well. That I didn't order online. I just forgot. I just wish I would have known how to do this. I would have did this off in the beginning. And this is the other the liquid eyeliner, glittery eyeliner that they had. It's purpley. They had, I think, 2 other colors that I just really wasn't interested in. So, you know me, I always get purple. There's purple lavender. It's probably the same as the pencils they have already, but I just wanted it anyway. Now, these 2 are the ones that online they looked purple. Both of them. This is just black. They made it look like a deep plum, and they made this look like a frosty purple, and it's more like a rust or a copper. So I ordered these eyeshadows as well. These are the liquid eyeshadows. It's a dark purpley one, Cosmic Collision, then a lavender one, Dreamers, this lavender one, and then this pink one is called Playhouse. And then I got Cloud 9 as well. It's just the white shimmery one. It's got like holographic shimmer in it. That's a lip gloss. And I got this one. I know it's not usually a color I would use, but it is a beautiful champagne color. And this one is a liquid eyeshadow. So like if I'm wearing a nude, I think this would be perfect if I wanted to shimmer it up. This I found in the Walmart clearance bin, as well as these eyeliners and Techno. So this is the one, like and I just found out, and I'm gonna post this in a video. The Aesthetic Edge. She says these were never available online. Like, I'm not surprised. She wrote a whole thing on her web about how hard it was to order and get the complete collection. She wanted the entire collection. Oh man, it just makes me really angry. But she went through the same things I went through, just total. So she was saying how horrible getting this entire collection, and these were never available online. She's been checking and trying, and then she started putting in different zip codes. It was telling her to go to other states as well. I really, really wanted this and the red one. They didn't have the red one when I went to the Walmart, but I did want this one because it's kind of like a taupey pink, and this is just pink. This was deep in the beat. I just said, why not? It's a pink. Let me just get it. This is something you will never be able to get online. And this one, OMG. I did not know that there was a loose highlighter. They had about 6 or 7 loose highlighters there. Like, it seems as nobody really realized these were available. It was overlooked. Because to me, I thought that this is what they were showing online. But even the first Trend Mood, it was just showing, she just said the regular highlighters. But I did not know that there were loose highlighters. And the girl was saying you don't even find it when you put in There's stuff that, like I had said, you put in the Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers Neon Collection, and this does not come up. And she just found out about it some other way, and then you have to like put in the exact words, because I'm telling you, the website is crazy. When I put in Fantasy Makers, it says you've ordered Fantasy Makers in the past. Would you like to reorder? But it won't bring me to this. I could do it on my phone, and this does not show up. You have to like put this in separate. And I think she said this too. You have to put in separate, or something else she said that you just could not get unless you put in separate. It might have been the tattoos or whatever. But they also had a loose highlighter, and I got that one. You can't get these red ones, the red in these high shine liquid lipsticks. It just won't let you order any of that. So it told me of another store, like I said yesterday. It told me about another store, and I just ordered it online, and then they hold it for you, and it goes on your PayPal, and you know they don't charge you until you pick it up. I went to a couple of more Walmarts today because I had to go out and get my son's meds. Nothing. And the other lady too, her name is again the Aesthetic Edge. She has a blog, and she was saying that this, you know, everything I went through, she went through, trying to get this. And that's I didn't buy the entire collection. For Mother's Day, my hubby's gonna take me to the other Walmart that's kind of far, but at least it's, you know, an area I'm familiar with. It's in Pasadena. I do not want to go to. I hate going into Houston. I think, and again, some stores, they said they had it in Houston, and then when I tried to order it, then it said no, it's not available. It was just same thing. And I'm gonna post what she wrote. Pure insanity. But yeah, no, I must have been to, I don't know, maybe 15 Walmarts and nothing. Very, very frustrating. Anyway, on Monday I will do swatches of these, and yeah, just wanted to show you this. Okay, bye.